y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go on another baking journey with y'all. I haven't never did homemade cookies before, but guess what, we're gonna do it today. So so you already know, before we get any further into this video, let me give you guys the word of the day. I'm taking it all the way to Matthew chapter 20, verse 32 to 34. It says, Jesus stopped and called them. "What do you want me to do for you?" he asked. "Lord," they answered, "we want our sight." Jesus had compassion on them and touched their eyes. Immediately they received their sight and followed him. Okay, so that is the word of the day. But I'm gonna get right into this video. First thing we're going to do is put the 1 cup of softened butter, well, in this bowl. We're going to put this 1.5 cups of sugar with the butter. You can just go ahead and just start mixing that. Next, we're going to crack our lucky egg. It didn't want to crack for me. That in there. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is 1 teaspoon exactly in there. That out of the way. Now mix. You're going to go ahead and add your teaspoon of baking soda and your 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Boop. Add that right in there. And this is perfect to do, being that the holidays is right here. So you guys can know how to make, some cookies. You're going to be sifting a total of 2 cups and 3/4 cups. First, I'm going to just do the 2 cups. Sift that in there. If y'all didn't know, I really do like to bake. And I like doing new things that I haven't done before. And I'm pretty sure you know by now. I can't find my 3/4 of a cup, so we're going to do 12 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 12. Let's mix. Mix, 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 mix. Some may fall, but it's okay. Once everything is mixed nice and well, nice and incorporated, you're going to take your spray and spray your foil. And now we're going to make the cookies in 1 ice cream scoop worth of cookie dough, just like that, and place it. You're going to put this in the oven at 375 degrees for at least 8 to 10 minutes. So the cookie is done. It is very soft. Look at that. It's time to try it out. It's time to try it out. Oh, I'm dropping. That thing read that real good. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not, make sure that you like and subscribe. Also follow my social media. I will make sure it's popping up here and down here. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Peace.